Hey there, ever wondered if you can deposit cash at Wells Fargo ATMs? Well, I've got some great news for you. Yes, you absolutely can deposit cash at Wells Fargo ATMs. It's super convenient and easy to do. Most Wells Fargo ATMs accept both $20 and $50 bills, and they even allow a mix when available. Here's how it works. Just insert your cash or checks without an envelope. That's right, no more fumbling with those pesky envelopes. The ATM does all the work. It will count your cash and verify it right there on the spot. First, find a Wells Fargo ATM. They are located at most branches and in many other places too. Next, insert your Wells Fargo debit or ATM card. Enter your PIN and select the deposit option. Then simply insert your cash or checks. The machine will scan and count them for you. You'll see a summary on the screen and you can confirm the amount. Once you're done, the ATM will print out a receipt for your records. And there you go. Your cash is deposited and ready to use. It's fast, easy, and incredibly convenient. So the next time you need to deposit some cash, skip the line inside and head straight to the ATM. Wells Fargo has made it simpler than ever to manage your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips about banking. Thanks for watching. See you next time.